Brown fat. Brown fat is what surrounds your organs, and it's a type of fat that is very highly thermogenic. So, in other words, what it does is it creates energy in the body. So there's some things you can do to activate brown fat. You may have heard of people like in Sweden, for instance, where they sit in the sauna and then they come out and jump in the cold water. Well, that will really activate brown fat, but you probably don't want to do that. But here's one thing you can do if you're brave is when you get done with your shower, right at the last minute, 1 minute, you turn it on cold and you stand in there in the cold water, and that will actually activate brown fat. Look at some foods that we can eat that can activate brown fat. That might be more fun. Pomegranate. Now, most of us are not eating little pomegranate seeds. So you could do like 2 tablespoons of pomegranate juice a day. That's not too much sugar. Green tea, which a lot of people like, and matcha tea, a lot of people like that. That will stimulate brown fat. And spicy foods. So we know chili peppers and jalapenos and all those kinds of things. If you're a spicy food lover, that's great. It really sends up the brown fat signals. Ginger root, and you can throw that in all kinds of things. You can put in a smoothie and stir fries. Soy and turmeric are also things that will stimulate brown fat. So that's a great thing. If you're wanting to lose weight, if you want to get your metabolism up a notch or two, then try stimulating your brown fat.